afternoon, everybody. It's your man Dan, Stutter and D-Man. Today I got another drone from Holy Stone Drones, and I will be unboxing. Today's drone is the DEERC D20. I already have a RC D50, so I brought it out here to compare. So we're gonna see what it looks like. So let's begin. We're gonna open the box up. Got my little handy gear here. Oh, I may need that yet, so I'll keep that out. Alright, so it is the DEERC20 that I got today. I was asked to test this drone out by June Yang of Holy Stone Drones, and I agreed to test it and then give it a review. But first, we are opening this up. So, oh, it even comes in a case. Is there anything else? No. Has a nice case. DEERC20. Let's see what it looks like. It's a foldable drone where these arms I can't fold in. This one should be a foldable drone. Oh my God, it's so little. Wow, you guys are gonna, yeah. Look at the size of this. Here's the D50, and then here's the D20. Wow. It's got an adjustable camera, a manual adjust camera, and look at this. You just fold these out. Brushless motors. Wow, this thing is so weird looking. This is by far the tiniest drone I've ever owned. And then the controller is a little different than, well, a lot different. Then here's the D50 controller. Here's the D20 controller. It looks like it has a pop-up to hold your phone. It's a little hard to get out. There we go. That's going to hold your drone, hopefully. Yep, okay. So, yep, that'll fit my drone. It looks like it, or my phone, and there's the camera button, the timer button. So we will charge up the batteries, and yeah, we're gonna fly this little bad boy later today. And these are the batteries. There's so little, and it looks as if you get two new batteries. So you get 2 little batteries, and I'm gonna say they'll go in like this. And it clicks in. You gotta make sure you hear that click. And then pop it out. You just pop it out. Did you hear the click? Alright. So we got extra batteries. And let's see what's in the packet up here. You get, it looks like 2 chargers. If I can ever get my knife out of here. Okay. So you get 4 little blades here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get a nice nifty little screwdriver. You get, let's open this up a little more here. 2 chargers. Prop guards, which I never use them because I don't know, I don't like them. Maybe on this I will though. It looks like they give you pretty much like in every other drone they give you. You got your light log, your caution of the battery, don't overheat them, overcharge them, and you got your other caution thing, and then you have a manual. It looks pretty much like every other manual. Let's see, and how high can it go? 131 feet transmission distance. It's not very far, so, but it's a little drone, so it's only 2.4 ounce, 69 grams. Flight time is only 10 minutes per battery. So, yeah. I will definitely be charging up the batteries and putting batteries in here for the controllers. And they feel pretty good. I like how they got the little handles. And you can hold it like this and just fly your drone. That's kind of neat. So, yeah. Alright. Well, it was nice opening up this drone for you. You know, again, you get a DEERC drone, 2 chargers, a screwdriver, 4 extra props, and 4 guards. And this awesome carrying case. Again, look how nice that folds up. You just fold it, fold it, fold it, and fold it. And there you go. Alrighty. So, until I get everything charged up, y'all can hang out for a few minutes. No, I'll be back. I'm going to cut the video, and then I'll just add to it. So, again, it was great chatting. Your man Dan, over and out.